Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 15th, 2014. April 15th is one of my least favorite dates. I bet you can guess why. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software, and as always, we'll look at the weekly bond market first. You can see bonds appear to be trying to break out of this big sideways pattern here to the upside. They just don't seem to be in any particular hurry to do it. They have held the support up here at 134.08, which is what they should have held if they want to blow out to the upside. They have resistance here around 135.12 that they have not broken above yet. And of course, they also have the upper Keltner channel here around 135.28. So still a fair amount of resistance, not too far above the market. But after all of this that we're looking at for the last few months, this looks like it could be a really big run if they actually get going. As I said, they're in no hurry to do so, and that of course makes me worry that it might be false and they'll be down here testing these lows below 131 fairly soon. But at this point, you have to assume they're trying to break out to the upside, so I'm just sort of watching them to see if I can't get on board when they give an opportunity. Now, stocks have got a completely different situation here, and last week broke down like we haven't seen in quite some time, actually since back here in late January. It took down below the low of the previous swing low, and I know that drove a lot of people nuts, like, oh my God, the sky is falling. Well, it's not, but it is a big warning sign. And we've had a fair amount of volatility already in this holiday week to at least make you pay attention, I think. But markets tend to top on good news, not bad. So, seeing this breakdown, I think it's just a warning that we have to be careful. Now, they seem to be trying to turn back up from this breakdown. And what we got to see is, are they going to hold this resistance here in the 1850 area? Are they going up to the 1876 area and maybe turning down from there? Or are they even going to go to a new high? But if they do go to a new high, this breakdown below this swing low warns us that perhaps that next new high won't hold very good, and we'll have to keep a good eye on that. But ideally, you're not going to get a real serious trend down until you get a lower swing high on a weekly chart. So the most negative thing they could do would be to swing up again, maybe to 1850, maybe to 1876, and hold in this area and then turn down again. Now that would be negative. But at this point, I'm still thinking that they might try to move to new highs. And, my crystal ball doesn't work great, but it just would make good sense to me that they get a good employment report the first part of May. That sends them to new highs, and then they can't figure out a reason to go any higher. And, selling May and go away stuff. But hey, I'm getting way ahead of myself. Right now, I'm expecting them to go to 1850, maybe 1876, and just monitoring them to see if they'll turn down from there. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.